Hello, super hands. Now I would like to tell you something. It is about pencil cap. So how to make pencil cap from a plastic bottle. The first of all, you have to prepare glue, tips, clipper, color marker, and color paper. Next step is you have to take a plastic bottle like this, and you have to cut upper of the plastic bottle. Then you can choose your favorite color, the paper, then like this. So in this paper you have to draw something like animal face. You can choose that lion or cat or whatever. Then how to make it uh, pencil cap? So easy, super hand. So you can do like this. You can take one side of the paper, then take a few of tips like this tip, then you lamb around like this. Easy to make super hand, very easy, like this.